Okay, we have a quick update. I'm here at Walmart here in Woodville after I came out from my campground, and they have all most of the shelves are refilled or restocked, and I found propane. There's a 4-pack of the 1-pound propane canisters, so I was able to get one. There were only 3 left. There were no twin packs. I was looking for the twin packs because I don't want to have a lot of propane in my car, but now I have a 4-pack, so I have 4 tanks of the 1-pound propane, and they have no eggs still. I was able to get bread. There's they refilled the bread. There's much, so generally they have refilled most of the food except the water, the cheap water. They have there's no more cheap water, the bottled water. So I got the 1 gallon. It's a little expensive, but it's still okay. Then it's better than buying those expensive name brand water bottles, the small ones. So that's what I got, and they have a limit of 2 packs of water only, but there's not much. There's a lot of beer, but I don't know if people didn't want to drink beer this winter. It's too cold. I don't know if it's better to drink beer in the cold or not, but I'm not really a drinker. But see, we're at the Walmart right now just to show you, and so I'm headed back someplace. But anyway, that's my update, quick update for today. There's not they have most of the food is back. Some of the daily products are not there yet, but everything is there except for the water. Water is hard to find, and you can buy the 1 gallon bottles. They're more expensive. I don't know why it's more expensive than the little plastic bottles. I don't know, half liter I think bottles. They're cheaper, but the name brands are more expensive, so I avoided that one. There's still like 3 or 4 packs left, but I didn't get them. Just took one of the 1 gallon. So I believe I'm good. I think most of the supplies here Texas are, if this is like an example of the groceries, maybe they started restocking. It's already above freezing, so it's in the 50s, and the weather is turning out good, although it's cloudy, but it's still better than freezing temp. And I think there's more supplies. There's restocking the grocery stores, so everything should be okay. And I think with the weather warming up, everything will probably normalize. I know gas stations are open. I need to refill my gas tank again before driving back, and I think there's still, it's restocking and resupplying, so Texas is good. So we're happy that we got the weather is cooperating at least, although it's still winter, but we're probably nearing spring anyway. So okay. Hello, so it's me again. I'm here at Walmart in Texas City, and I found out they haven't restocked. I mean, they restocked, but it's not enough, or it's not complete. There's no propane still. I didn't find any propane. I just wanted to check to see if they have propane or butane. There's none. So then the water, they ran out of water. I got the 1 gallon, you know, the generic spring water. I got one just in case, and then I bought some fresh meat. They're also running out of ground beef, but they have ground turkey, so I got that one. And there's a lot of produce. I got some broccoli, so I can have some fresh food. And I got some ice cream too. I want to eat some ice cream. I've been craving ice cream. And what else did I get? I get another loaf of bread just in case I run out of food. And they still have a lot of beer and wine. And the bread also, that's why I got another loaf of bread, because it looks like most of the bread is gone, and most of the deli, you know, the packs of delis are gone also. And I think that's it. That's all I'm more interested in, because that's what I usually buy. And what else do I need to say? I think that's it. I got some pictures, I'll post them, just an update on what happened. They still have some, they still not have, or they haven't still restock everything, so it's not back to normal, at least for today. It's only Sunday, maybe 1 or 2 days, maybe by Wednesday hopefully, because that's when I will go to my appointment and I'm gonna go shopping. Okay, see ya, and hopefully you'll all get what you're looking for and not run out of anything. Okay, bye bye. I'm gonna go look for gas. I forgot, I didn't get gas earlier when I was in the highway. I thought I'm gonna get gas here. I'm looking around. There's one gas station there, and the other one here is, there's a line. So I will check that other one. There's no line, maybe because there's no gas there, but I'll go to this line and see. Hopefully I can get it. Okay, bye bye.